Well, F you, we're done throwing up, so let's go party.
Dude, I am freaking ready now.
Shit, I'll show you some moves, bitch. How you like that? F you, boo.
Man, dude, you freaking get down, F you, boo.
Well, I guess it's me and you. Robbie Joe ain't around. Pete passed out and Drew went to the hospital, so let's groove right in the street.
Man, Josh, all you want to do is dance.
Well, all you want to do is drink.
So I still get down. Whoops.
Whoa, F you, bro, what was that?
A airplane.
Whatever, let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go to Studio 54 and I'm gonna show my moves.